Welcome to the ultimate guide to installing artificial grass on dirt. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of installing artificial grass on dirt. Artificial grass has come a long way over the years and has become an increasingly popular choice for homeowners looking to save time and money on lawn maintenance. The first step in installing artificial grass on dirt is to prepare the area. Begin by removing any existing grass, rocks, or debris from the area. Next, level the dirt and create a slight slope away from any structures to ensure proper drainage. Once the area is prepped, it's time to lay the base layer. This layer will provide a stable foundation for your artificial grass and will help with drainage. There are two options for the base layer: crushed stone or decomposed granite. After laying the base layer, it's time to add the weed barrier. This layer will prevent weeds from growing through your artificial grass and ruining your perfect lawn. Simply lay the weed barrier over the base layer and cut it to size. Now it's time for the most exciting part: laying the artificial grass. Begin by unrolling the artificial grass and cutting it to size. Be sure to leave a little extra around the edges for trimming. Next, lay the artificial grass over the weed barrier and ensure that it's properly aligned. If necessary, make adjustments to ensure a perfect fit. Once the artificial grass is in place, it's time to secure it to the ground. This can be done using landscape staples or adhesive. If using landscape staples, simply place them around the edges of the artificial grass, being sure to leave a few inches between each staple. If using adhesive, apply a generous amount around the edges of the artificial grass and press it firmly into place. Finally, it's time to add the finishing touches. Use a power broom to brush the artificial grass fibers and make them stand upright. This will give your lawn a more natural look. You can also add infill to the artificial grass to help it maintain its shape and provide a more cushioned feel. Congratulations! You've just installed artificial grass on dirt. With proper maintenance, your new lawn will provide you with years of enjoyment.